batch nyo?
Daniel Padilla.
Ano pangalan?
Pogi.
Oh, Pogi. Hindi naman masyado. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Si Francino Walmana. Wait lang, Leha, wait lang. We'll go back to you. We're just looking for 4 volunteers. 4 volunteers, please. Please go to the customer service ground floor. Hello? Tawan-tawa ate. Tawan-tawa. Ay, may isa na, tatlo na lang daw.
Buha tayo, no?
Tatlo yung Matipulo.
Saan po dadaan natin? Yan?
Ano ba naman ang Matipulo?
Ngiti ka na. Video to ate.
Video ba yan? Pinoy ako. Anong pangalan mo kuya?
Luis po.
Luis. Sa tagal saan ka rito?
Sa
Calgary.
Oh my God. You're so awesome, Lawrence Lim.
It's Lawrence Lim with the W.
Ngayon ay pupunta na tayo sa ating makapuluhang contest. Let's go! Oh, nasa na yung ano? Where's our contestant? Come! Up! Hindi pala lalakad ako maganda. Parang mukhang may pwet ako ah. Wait lang ah. Where's the contestant? Oh, there you are! Oh, where's Justin? Meron ako nakilala kanina si Justin. Wala dito. Where's Justin? Oh, Diyos ko. Ano ba? Ano naman ito, kuya? Nakakatakot ka lang, kuya. Akala ko naman, ano. O, sige. Move forward. Move forward. Oh, ikaw ang last, ha? Kasi wala nang mic. Oo. Meron kang sinulit sa buhok. Oh, shoot. Kumagalang pa. Oh, you have hairstylist? Oh, really? Oh, the mic is not working sometimes. Okay, so... Uy, ang gapa naman ito. You're so handsome. How are you, darling? What's your name?
Carter.
Carter! Oh, parang Chinese Carter. So, Carter, are you a student? Are you working?
I'm a student at State University.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. What course are you taking at? Kunyari magaling. What course are you taking at?
Power engineering.
Oh, power engineering. Engineering with the power. Yes, very good. Do you have a girlfriend, Carter?
I'm looking.
The exam, Carter. Chinese Carter. Okay. Kuya, are you born and raised here or you're Filipino?
Ako sa Pinas.
Oh, pinanganak sa Pinas. Yes! Pinoy ako. Oh, anong pangalan mo, kuya?
Luis po.
Luis. Sa taga saan ka rito? Ito sa Calgary.
Taga Northwest po.
Oh, Northwest. Parang aeroplano ah. Oh, ikaw...
May regalo po ako sa inyo. Atong labubo, alam niyo po pangalan nito?
Anong pangalan ng labubo mo?
Ay.
Totoo? Mamatay? Totoo?
Mamaya, ang galing nito.
Oh! Kala ko mamaya papakita ko to ha. Ano ka ba? Ano ka ipapakita mo? Yung pala yung labubo. Kasi nandiyan yung labubo mo. Oh, hello labubo. Oh, sige, eto naman. Ikaw rin, Pinoy.
Pinoy po.
Anong pangalan mo?
Martin.
Martin. Wow, nice name. You know, my real name is Martina. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Wow. That's all you can say, wow.
Hindi pa matalo yung labubo. Wala akong...
Ay, wala? Oo. Lababo. Hindi labubo, lababo. Oh, okay. Martina Eileen. That's why I'm I. Before a name, now a legend, tomorrow a superstitious belief. Ganyan yan, ha? Okay, so,
I'm learning.
okay, do you have, are you single? Do you have your wife here with you?
I have a Filipina with me.
Oh, is it girlfriend or wife?
Girlfriend.
Oh, that's very lucky of you because Filipinas are really smells good. Especially our the flowers all over the place. It's good, right?
I can't say anything to that.
Why? That's true. Filipinas smells good. Here, 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 and everywhere. Okay? Oh, Brad, nakailan na tayo, Brad? Okay, sabog ka na ba, Brad? Anong pangalan mo, kuya?
I'm hungry. Oh, sorry.
Ano to? O, tapos?
I'm Lawrence. Lawrence! Yeah!
O, yun. Mukhang ano na to, mataas na to. O, okay na to, ha? O, ikaw ba, may syota ka, may asawa ka, wala ka ng syota, nag-break na kayo, naghahanap ka. Ano ang buhay mo ngayon?
Nag-break na and sick.
Siyempre, kahit ako rin ang babae, kung kita mo yun, nakikipag-break talaga ako sa'yo.
Emotional, damn it!
Palitan mo na yan, magpagupit ka na. Okay, so ano pa, bakit nakipag-break sa'yo? Anong dahilan?
Dahil 6 daw trabaho ko.
Oh, natural naman yan. Sa Amerika, 3, dito 3. Bakit ka naman nagiging 6? Ilan ang binubuhay mo?
Unemployment!
Ganito ng ganito yung kausap mo, nalagang nasa kalkari ka. Ang pula pa ng mata. Hindi, papula mata niya, hindi bogsa. Ang tawag dito? Oo, Goku. Oo, para kang Goku.
Wait a minute. Who are
Follow my
you?
social media, Goku Calgary! Thank you!
Ayaw nila. Joke lang. O sige, ito madali lang this is easy. You just look at me and follow me later. Okay? Okay. Then one by one, I will call you. But now let's practice first. Don't move. I will move first. Okay? Okay. Music please. Ang bilis! Ang bilis! Ay, bagalan mo, kuya! Slow down, like this! Very slow! Like having some shots! Ayan! The sexier, the better. Okay? Oh. Come. Come. Chinese Carter. Okay. Now, later, I'll be sexy with you. Okay? If you don't mind.
Promise?
Yeah, I promise. And you give me your ring in your nose and put it in. Dito ka sa akin. Follow me. Kumakalikot ka. Uy, dapat dito ka sa akin. Face me. Okay, palakpakan natin si Carter. Ngayon, labubu, come. Show me your labubu later. Alam mo na yan, ha? O, galingan mo, ha? Itayo natin ang mga Pinoy. Alam mo naman, ha? Mga Pinoy, astig yan. Kumbaga sa ano, para yan lumpiang Shanghai. Maliit, pero matigas.
Mga Pinoy, pasensya na po.
Mga ganun, naku po, mga Pinoy. Kaya mo yan, wag kang magpapatalo. Paalalahanin mo parati, sila bubu ay kasama mo. Okay? O, ano naman yung inaano-ano mo dyan? O, gusto mo ba magpa-picture? Oo. May electric man. May magkakrush ako sa'yo. Bait ka. Kaya tawa maya na yan. Sige na lang, bubu. Sige na, baby. Okay na. Sige. Let's go. Mahina. Takot eh.
Sorry po.
Nandiyan ba girlfriend mo?
Ang girlfriend niya.
Oh, wala pala eh. O sige, ano ko na, andun na sila bubu. Dito, ito na. Si Martin.
Okay lang po bang touch?
Touch? Okay na. But don't touch me here. Just here and here. Okay, baby. Okay, Martin. Let's go. Sweetheart. How is it going?
Well, I'm nervous now.
Oh, why? You just do the lambada.
I didn't know I had to have dancing skills.
Oh, it's okay. I'll be the one dancing to you. Just take it easy. Just look here, like that. And just move. Yes. Bakit pa ganun? Di ba dapat pa ganun? Yes, move. That's the lambada. Ay, bilis-bilisan. Oh, is your girlfriend here?
She left.
Oh.
Let me come up here and she said, "You're going to embarrass me. I need to leave."
Oh. She left? But, oh, who? Who's the girlfriend? Oh, you're the girlfriend. Oh, she's beautiful. Like me, ha? Oh. Uy, hiram lang to na nga. Oh, di naman ako pumapatol sa mga ganito. Gusto ko Pilipino pa rin kasi nahihirapan ako mag-Ingles. Diba? Kasi parusa ako sarili ko, diba? Okay? So like this, you will do this. I'll move for you. Because you said you can't dance, right?
True.
Oh, true. Sige. Nahihirapan na ako. Mamay, tumutugo-tugo na ako. Nosebleed na ako rito. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's go! yung chismis niya din sa mga Pilipino. I think she likes me. Agad-agad like. Ito. Bakit dito sumali ka? Ubarin mo na yung jacket mo kasi mainit. Magsasayaw tayo. Try muna. Tapos mamaya yung totoo, ha? Titingnan muna kita, ha? Sige. Titingnan muna kita. Okay. Ganun, ha? Hindi ganyan. Ganun. Tak. Mabilis. Tak. Ano na to talaga? Ano Todong-todo na ang ano nito, tama nito. Sige. Tak. May sariling mundo eh. Kailangan yung nasa trip niya. Practice ganito. Tak. Maliwanag kaya slow eh. Dapat ganun. Kasi downers, di ba? So, ganun ang dating. Sige na, kuya. Okay, ma. Let's go! Palakpakan natin ng walang kwentang ginawa ni kuya, naka-orange pa na brief eh. Pag gano'n niya, kita ko pongka yung brief niya. Pants ba yan? Hindi! Sa loob! Tinan mo, orange oh! Ayan, yung brief mo! Yan, pongka. Okay, so now let's decide through our kababayans with their clapping galore, who will win this very, very nice contest. Come. Okay. First, Carter! Okay. Thank you, Carter. Go back to your place. Labubu, come! Our second contestant, Labubu! Okay. Our third contestant, Martin! Pants. And of course, what's your name again, sir? Nick! Let's clap our hands to Nick! Ulit, ha? Let's clap our hands to Nick! And of course, naitama ka! Ano ang pangalan mo, kuya?
Lawrence may tama.
Lawrence may tama! Palakpakan natin siya! Talagang mukhang siya pa yung nanalo eh, no? Ang galing mo talaga, napadaan ka pa niyan, ha? Oo. So, sino ang first prize? Ito! Second prize, mamimili kayo dito. Sa dalawa na to.
Yung black short!
Ito, si Martin o si Nikki? Martin, second prize. Third prize. Fourth prize. And fifth prize, okay? Just wait, I'll get my money for you. And then later, magpapablatter tayo sa police. First prize, 1,000. 43 rin to, ha? Yan. Hindi, followers, saka ito 1,000. Tapos meron kang free hit sa bawat ano nito. binubuga ng usok na to. Okay, thank you. Martin, second prize. Thank you. Oh. Thank you, Martin. Oh, sit naman yan. And to you, to our, ano ba to? Oy, ito, so ito. Wait, meron pa isa. Oh, Canadian. Yes, we have $5 Canadian for all our non-winner. Wait. Oh, ito na. Chinese Carter. Ay, ito na. Nabubo. Ay, ito na. Bakit? Oh, ito sa inyo. Oh, sige. O, lahat tayo. Are you ready? O, sige. For the last time, let's go! Sige, ika. Anong pa-picture na close-up? Selfie? Pa-picture na close-up, paluma naman nun. Selfie na uso ngayon. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Did you ba yan? Okay, picture. So far! Oo. Alika. Saan? Paano? Saan? Oh, dito umusog ka rito. Oo. Okay, sumusunod lang siya. Come here. Oo. Open to siya. Oh, you came, 3 of you. Oh, so you're friends. Oh, how young are you boys?
19.
Oh, 19. 19.
20.
Oh, none. No, too old. You're too old for me. Oh, picture. One. Oh, lahat tayo, itaas natin ang ating mga kamay. Let's go. Ay, hindi ka kasali. Bumaba ka na eh. Hindi, halika dito. Kawawa naman to. Ano ba? Bakit ka ba nagkakaganyan? Ano ba problema mo? Sabi mo sa akin. Ano ba, nahuhugsi ka ba?
Counseling pala.
Nahulog yung wallet mo? Wala ka namang wallet eh. Mga pickpocket eh. Parang riding in tandem to si Kuya. Halika na lang. Mag-picture. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile! Okay, thank you so much guys. Palakpakan po natin ang ating ang dami naman requirements nito nila Bubo. Thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Oh, mabait naman ang mga bata. Ay, nako. Buti na lang. Anyways, are you enjoying guys?
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever.
Hello friends, good morning. I am going to make a new video on my YouTube channel, and please subscribe. Please subscribe.
Subscribe.
Please
Subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Get out of there, it's gonna blow. Bomb has been defused. Circle around back. Sector clear. Okay, team, follow my command. Get in position and wait for my go.
Coco Martin!
I heard a rumor through the grapevine so bold. Lawrence Lim got a million stories untold. From green jokes, conspiracies, and edits with flair. You gotta follow him, baby, if you dare. Your feed feels empty without his magic touch. He got the blues and the laughs that you crave so much. With a click and a follow, you'll find some relief. Lawrence Lynn social media, a digital belief. Click, subscribe, don't miss a trick. Now, hey, leave your worries and come on, click today. Lawrence Lynn's got the content right in line. Follow him.